What's going on, guys? Ryan Martello here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, bringing you guys the hottest, the latest, and everything crypto-related news. Today, we're going to be doing a daily update on the market. We're going to be looking at what's trending, what's not doing so well, as well as Bitcoin technical analysis to see where we could be going in the next week or so, and some news in the crypto space. So to start things off, the market overall is doing phenomenal right now. $451 billion in market cap, a price range we haven't seen in quite some time. We also have Bitcoin dominance at 36%. It's staying around that range. We do have Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin raising in this past week, but the dominance is staying around that range, mainly due to money flooding in, but going into altcoins. So a couple big gainers on the day. We have OX up 12%. We have Loom Network up 17%, and we have Matrix AI Network up 30%. Those are the three big gainers. Again, across the board, we're not doing too hot on the day, but this would be an excellent time to maybe consider making a position that you were kind of holding off on. This would possibly be the day to do so. We have a couple good cryptocurrencies down around 10%. So, some technical analysis on Bitcoin. Right now, we're doing very well when it comes to setting up for a bull run for the end of May to June and July, for the summertime, really. So I drew a couple trend lines for you guys to help indicate where we are setting up a bull run at. So this trend line here is just showing the current trend we were on for the past couple months, starting back in December. We've really been on a downtrend that whole time, but we are finally beginning to work our way upward. We have this trend line down here showing the support right around where we had that world record breaking 24-hour volume for 1 hour volume for Bitcoin. Ever since that day, we have broke out of the trend and we are working our way upward. Now, the moving averages are kind of all over the place right now. We have the 50-day underneath the 200-day still, but it's beginning to work its way up. So if we do have this 50-day working its way up to the 200-day with the 100-day, those are all three levels of support for the price movement. So this would be phenomenal. Within the next couple weeks, we could definitely see these moving averages helping support the price movement, pushing Bitcoin up in price. So right now, I drew this line here of the next level of resistance I can predict. I do believe we are going to have resistance around the $10,000 range, which we are kind of experiencing right now, mainly due to the psychology of investors, the $10,000 range, that even number that they want to trade at. So I do believe we are going to have resistance around that level. If we do break through that, I do believe our next resistance level is going to be around $11,400, where we previously had resistance. So that is the next level where I think we will be going after the $10,000 range. We are setting up beautifully for the summer for cryptocurrencies. Of course, you want to look at Bitcoin's price movement, the analysis side, the technical analysis side of Bitcoin, because it is the leading cryptocurrency in the market. So the market, again, I think I'm keeping by what I said. I think we will be around the $600 billion range by the end of May. And I think that's a very reasonable prediction, considering the movement we're experiencing right now in the market. So that's the market for you guys. Some news in the crypto space. We have VeChain announces a new partnership with PwC. PwC is PricewaterhouseCoopers. It's a company over in China. So this is very exciting to see. VeChain is starting to get some partnerships. This isn't a huge partnership. PwC just really announced that they want to be able to utilize the Internet of Things with VeChain. So that's really cool to see. Now, when it comes to the price movement of this announcement, it really didn't do anything for VeChain. It really didn't move the price at all. It is on an upward trend right now, which the majority of cryptocurrencies are, as you can see, ever since the beginning of May. Beautiful upward trend. Could have really made some excellent gains if you bought at the dip. But it is getting very close to those all-time highs, about halfway there. All-time highs around $10. So that's great to see for VeChain. Next news for you guys, South Korea is pushing a bill to legalize new ICOs in 2018. So this is pretty exciting. They want to legalize new ICOs and just really regulate them, kind of like how the United States is right now. I really think they're mainly doing this because they're realizing what they're missing out on, the money they're missing out of for all the taxing and all that kind of stuff. So they want to jump on the train, they want to jump on the bandwagon and take advantage of this technology and really bring it into their own country. So this is a big step in that mass adoption for cryptocurrencies. Are countries like South Korea, eventually China, and all these other countries that will start accepting new ICOs in the space. That's the news for today, guys. I know it's not much, but there's not much going on today. I just wanted to give you a little update of what's going on with the price movement of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin specifically. I am very, very confident in cryptocurrencies right now. If you're not invested into cryptocurrencies, this is not financial advice, but personally for me, this is the time when you want to consider making positions into cryptocurrencies before we do hit those all-time highs that we experienced, which I do believe we will experience in the summertime of 2018. So let me know down below what you guys think is going to happen with the price movement of cryptocurrencies right now, what you're currently investing in. I do want to start investing in different cryptocurrencies that I haven't looked in before, want to start looking into new stuff. So let me know down below what you guys are invested in so I could take a look at it and maybe make a position on it. If you're not subscribed, hit that fat subscribe button. It doesn't hurt you to hit that subscribe button for daily cryptocurrency content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next.